A slow pan glides across the sculpted outer shell of the PlayStation 5. Its distinctive contours aren't just aesthetic, they guide airflow and trap dust in accessible channels, keeping the internals cleaner for longer. A gentle zoom reveals the careful layering within, each shield and panel engineered for both protection and performance. As the shell is removed, the massive cooling fan comes into focus. Its 120 mm diameter and sweeping blades are designed to draw in air silently, channeling it efficiently across the system. Subtle overlays trace the airflow path, highlighting how every vent and fin works together to expel heat and maintain optimal temperatures under heavy loads. Deeper inside, the camera lingers on the expansive heatsink and the gleaming liquid metal cooling solution atop the APU. On-screen text explains, liquid metal replaces traditional thermal paste, dramatically improving heat transfer away from the processor. The motherboard's layout is revealed, each component precisely positioned to balance performance and cooling, with the power supply tucked securely to one side for better weight distribution. Finally, a slow pan across the expandable storage slot suggests a future-ready design, anticipating tomorrow's games and upgrades. The story ends with a subtle hook. One small change here prevents a massive overheating problem, demonstrating how every detail inside the PS5 is engineered for lasting performance.